Hi everyone, this is the 9th video. What is regression? Previously, we classified income data using support vector machines. In this video, we are going to take a look at regression, its need and importance. Regression is the process of estimating the relationship between input and output variables. One thing to note is that the output variables are continuous valued real numbers. Hence, there are an infinite number of possibilities. This is in contrast with classification, where the number of output classes is fixed. The classes belong to a finite set of possibilities. In regression, it is assumed that the output variables depend on the input variables, so we want to see how they are related. Consequently, the input variables are called independent variables, also known as predictors, and output variables are called dependent variables, also known as criterion variables. It is not necessary that the input variables are independent of each other. There are a lot of situations where there are correlations between input variables. Regression analysis helps us in understanding how the value of the output variable changes when we vary some input variables while keeping other input variables fixed. In linear regression, we assume that the relationship between input and output is linear. This puts a constraint on our modelling procedure, but it's fast and efficient. Sometimes, linear regression is not sufficient to explain the relationship between input and output. Hence, we use polynomial regression, where we use a polynomial to explain the relationship between input and output. This is more computationally complex, but gives higher accuracy. Depending on the problem at hand, we use different forms of regression to extract the relationship. Regression is frequently used for prediction of prices, economics, variations, and so on. With this, the video ends. In the next video, we will build a single and multivariable regressor.